Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to start running your own Bing ads. So first of all guys, I will need you to do is go ahead and open your devices and open whatever browser you have in it. For example, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, I need you to do guys is to go to the URL section, and then search for Bing ads. So Bing ads or Microsoft ads, they are the same. So Microsoft ads, and now from here guys, I will need you to create or sign into a Microsoft account. So let's sign in real quick, and here I will put for example my email or whatever you want. So let's use for example this one. So next, for example, and here if you have this account already, you can just put your password. So let me just put my account and I will be right back to you guys. So as you can see here guys, let me just close this real quick. So here I am. There is no Microsoft advertising account associated with this email. So let me just real quick sign in using different emails, sign up for new Microsoft advertising account. So let's click on continue, and then here create your first campaign. So here guys, basically you will have to put your website's URL, which is optional. So for example, I have already a Google ads account or Facebook ads account, so you can import it from Google, import something from Facebook, and basically for example let's put here another. For example, let me just put for example a random website. Let's see this website real quick, headspace.com. So let me just copy this, so I will paste it in here and create ad for it. So getting business starting campaign set up for you. So here what you have to do is recommend budget, so you have to put some budget for it, and then campaign name traffic, click here. You want CPC, I mean enhanced CPC, which is adjustment by bid to get more conversion, or maximize clicks. So if you want CPC or clicks, so here I make next the area when you want it to be, and then you put next, and then here the keywords, and then next create the ad how you want it to look like, and here you just have to set up your account, you put some information about you, and after that you just have to pass through the payments process, and just like so you will start your first ad on Bing. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.